So nasa policy ba ninyo na iuwi rin natin si former President Duterte?
Well, it's
Hindi, sa general rule, inuuwi natin lahat ng Pilipino, di ba? Talagang kung ano-anong ginagawa natin, nakikisuyo, naninikluhod, nag-aambag-ambag para makapag-ipon ng pera, lahat na ginawa natin para maiuwi. Ito tinangay sa labas. Iuwi ba natin?
Well, for sure, definitely we will provide whatever assistance we can kung i-request the President. And of course, here is slightly different kasi this is ICC. It's an international organization. But certainly
Ang
lahat
pagkalong
ng
ko, yung Davao City Council nagpasa ng resolusyon na iuwi.
well,
A-actionan ba yan ng DFA, ng DMW? Alam ko, na-actionan ninyo lahat eh.
pero the ICC ito eh. Yeah.
Well,
This is
Well, madam, pag nag-uuwi tayo ng Filipinos, kailangan may court, may court na release ng
Wala
court.
namang court yung sa Qatar na 17, di ba?
Yes, but-
Pinakiusapan, pati yung kay Mary Jane Veloso na pakiusapan, wala namang court order.
Senator, this is slightly
At
different.
saka marami na nangyari ng nakaraan. Nakikipag-usap tayo, nagbabayad tayo, talaga naman na nakikisama tayo maigi para lang maiuwi.
Well, number one, ang embassy natin nakatutok talaga dun sa whatever help we can give. Pero ang problema nito, ang kaano natin dito is the ICC, which is a court. So it's a little bit different from dealing with a government normally. So I think we are entering into a new area. Mahirap magano eh. Who will we appeal to? Sa ICC, we can only appeal to the judges. Another problem we also have is hindi na tayo member ng ICC. So technically, we do not deal with the ICC directly. And they will not recognize our government also.
Ang hirap nga dyan, sir, is that you are not dealing with the ICC directly, but you are dealing with the Interpol with the same subject, yung warrant pa rin na galing sa ICC. So,
Bakit
hindi
ganon?
ba pwede-
Yung
hindi-
warrant kikilalanin,
Hindi ba
pero
pwede-
yung pagligtas hindi.